What up, Team Buckhouse? Look how blue this river is. We are out here with my brother, Sean, two people you guys have not seen on this channel in a minute. And of course, Roman Dog.
I don't even know.
And today we got a pretty fun adventure. We have a bunch of vehicles we're gonna go off-roading with. We're gonna go check out this really cool mine. And we're gonna kind of compare the Insta360 X3 camera I'm using right now to some drones.
We got a bunch with us.
Yeah, so Sean's a drone pilot. He has an incredible YouTube channel covering all that. So his stuff's in the description. Check out Sean. And it's Ben. You guys know Ben. If you don't know Ben, you probably knew. Anyways, here we go. Oh, you holding the camera?
Yeah.
All right, you hold the camera. Here we go. We got some cars. All right, so we have the FJ, of course, and then we have the blue Jeep and this black Jeep. These are the vehicles we're going off-roading with. You've never gone off-roading, right?
Never.
Never. And what do you get to do when we go off-roading?
Film.
Sit in the front seat and you're gonna film. Let's do it.
I'm gonna film this shoot.
Don't step in the mud. All right, dude. Front seat Roman. Oh. Window. I'll hold a little bit of it. You hold most of it, okay?
So bumpy.
Whoa.
Want me steer?
You want to steer?
Just kidding.
You're crazy.
It's too
dude.
bumpy steer.
You hold it in here real quick.
Dad, why is the chicken cross well?
Why?
Because!
Because! You're silly. We should come camping out here. These are some cool camping spots.
Dad, I'm making sure I don't hit a tree. I missed it.
You missed it? I'm sorry, man.
Can I have it?
Yeah, can you point it at the river?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I filmed it.
Keep filming it. Keep filming it.
It's going right where we going. That's where they really see it.
Yeah.
Oh, here's a tree. Oh, it almost hit the tree. Bigger tree. Dad, I love this world. Dad,
You like this? You love this world?
that waterfall. Film it.
I got it. I'm filming it. I'm getting it.
How, Dad?
With the camera on the other side.
Oh, so it's on the roof, Dad?
Yeah.
Dad, you yell so loud an avalanche happens.
Oh, you could. We're almost gonna be where we're gonna want to
Upper Ben is way behind us. Now I see him.
be. He's like right behind us. It's one of the drone spots. Oh, you see that, Roman? All right, let's jump back in the car. So you guys saw what we filmed with the Insta360. That was no drone, that was just a big pole with a 360. Now let's see what it looks like with a drone.
Dad, look at that old mine over there.
That's where we're gonna go check out. Look at the mine.
That mine didn't buy it, but that mine did. Dad,
You wanna go check it out?
we go inside it?
We don't want to go inside it because it could fall.
Let me film it.
Let's check it out.
Why not?
All right, so we got a bunch of cool shots with this guy who's tracking us.
Dad, we shoot a deer, we see a deer.
Do you want me to tie your shoes? Your shoes good.
My shoes are good. I'm a little tired, but I get a hang of it. Wow, look at it.
Dude, look at that building.
Look, that's stick about the fall.
Dude, the whole thing's about to fall. I bet it won't stay up much longer. I've always found it crazy here in Colorado that they just left this stuff. Like this mine, this building, all this metal. Technically, it's like trash, right? They just left it. It's here, chilling. Dude, this thing looks like it is ready to go. Especially like there's that heavy piece of machinery up there, all this metal stuff.
Are we walking across?
Can you go in it?
No, bro. No.
No, bro, don't go in. You stay right here, Roman. Oh, this is eerie and sketchy, but pretty rad at the same time. It's crazy, like that machinery, that metal stuff, especially this thing above us, which probably shouldn't be under. That cost money, but I guess it was worth just leaving. Made your money and bailed. That like looks like it mixed stuff. Wild. And that's as much of walking in this big. As much of walking in that thing that I want to do. Dying in a collapsed mining structure is not what I want to do. I feel like if you just shook this, you could like,
Jesus, bro.
you could literally get this whole piece to fall.
Now do it.
You want to make it fall?
What?
No way, dude. You're crazy. All right, Roman thinks if you throw a rock at it, the whole thing will fall. Let's see it,
Yeah,
dude.
like a big rock.
Let's see it. Throw your rock. Whoa, that was a good throw.
I think you're going to fall right now.
You got mosquitoes all over you.
That was like their separators. Like the water would run down this, and then the stuff would get stuck there.
People filled it up. That's probably why we're getting bit by mosquitoes. It's full of water.
Supposed to have a shop here.
This is the basement.
Oh, I see a escape ramp right there. I'm the cameraman.
So hold it close. You don't have to extend the pole and just make sure you're aiming right.
Yeah.
It used to be like that.
This whole thing's gone dunk. And then it's...
Oh, so I know it is. So it's like, so it pulls stuff out of the ground.
Yeah. Dude, this used to be someone's life. Like they would come run these machines
Yeah, like people
daily.
would drive up that road that we just drove.
They wouldn't drive. They'd ride a horse. Honestly, they probably lived like right there. Like there's probably hundreds of people that just lived.
Right here.
Like, all right.
You do that, that's gonna fall. I dare you. That I think there's supposed to be a back deck. Watch out the nails. That might be nails. Oh, there's nail right here. You have help here, and this thing fell. You die for death. I think a lot of people died here.
Like the general store. Oh, I bet someone died here.
Or
At
maybe
least one.
like 100,000. Want me to film that?
I'm gonna film this one just because I'm gonna put it really high up like a drone.
I think we want a ghost here. That
This is a ghost town, dude.
I'm going to get like this high. That so I get a film you guys on top. Oopsie.
Ooh, watch your steps.
Yeah, like my pants full.
I think
Yeah.
we're going back after this.
Is there fish in here, oh, Ben? I think this. I'm gonna throw a rock down it. Dad, I'm gonna throw the rock down it. Ready, set. Dad, shot it, Dad. That
bet you someone did use it.
toilet is broken. I think people peed in that one. I want to do this again.
So as we were wandering around the mine and whatnot, Sean's been flying around getting cool drone shots, and that's where I do think getting a drone has an advantage, is you can fly it around a cool artifact like this, zoom it really far out, come back in nice and close, fly through it. Now you can get the fly through looking shot with this 360 as well, but at the end of the day, if you're trying to get action camera shots from a drone, or you're trying to get close-up shots that look like someone's flying but like close still, I think that the 360 cameras are the way to go, because it's really hard to fly a drone that close, and you don't have to have a filmer or someone flying the drone. You know, if I want to do the snowboarding, I'd also have to fly the drone. Some do track, but for the most part, you'd have to have someone do that. The 360 camera, you know, I just hold the pole out and it follows me when I'm summer boarding or snowboarding, and it's super rad. But getting those perspective shots, those far away, like up in the sky as the one shot that drone is still dominant at getting. I say, yeah, you have like 7 around you right now. Yeah, I don't want to come by you. You're full of mosquitoes.
I know, they love me.
Oh. All right, Team Out guys, we're getting eaten alive by mosquitoes, so we're going to end this video here, right, dude? Was this a fun adventure?
Yep.
Thanks for doing it with me. You want, Mike? So with that, Team Out guys, thank you so much for shredding with us today. Did we shred?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Keep
Look at
evolving.
that string.
We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this.
Yes, daily.